So far, this is the easiest way that I've figured out to get items from Canvas into Google Drive and then be able to edit them with Kami. Open up Google Chrome and get onto Canvas. Once you're on the Science page, click on Modules. I'm going to do an example with Activity 1. I'm going to scroll down to where it says Activity 1, and I'm going to click on the Activity 1 Handling Materials PDF. Where it says Download, I'm actually going to open that up so that way it does download, and that went into my Downloads folder. Now I can retrieve this document, but I want to do that on Google Drive. So I open up a new tab, and I get on google.com, make sure that you are signed in where you can see your picture or your first initial. Click on the waffle. Click on Google Drive to open that up. You have already created folders for your Science Notebook. So what I would like for you to do is click on that folder called Science Notebook, and you should see Studying Materials Scientifically because that's the folder that you have created. Now, you can upload a new file upload. And if you click on Downloads, there is the PDF that you just downloaded. Click on Open, and it will download this item into this folder. I simply want to put it in Studying Materials Scientifically. There it is. Now when I click on it, it opens it up. At the top it says Open with, and I scroll down, and I want to open with Kami. Now I can edit this PDF. I can type on it, I can highlight, just depending upon what is over here on the side. You can play around and figure out what you would like to do. You can type, you can highlight, you can draw. And then we will be ready to learn how to submit these documents back to Canvas for a grade.